Hi everyone, welcome back to English Vibes. I'm Emma.
And I'm John, and today we're teaching something super important for speaking English clearly.
Yes, today's lesson is all about pronouns, what they are, how to use them, and how to avoid the most common mistakes.
If you want to speak naturally and fluently, pronouns are your best friends.
Before we start, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our lessons.
All right, let's begin.
A pronoun is a small word that replaces a noun.
We use pronouns to avoid repeating names again and again. Example: Maria is my friend. Maria is kind.
Maria, Maria, Maria. Sounds strange, right?
Exactly. Pronouns make speech smooth, natural, and easy.
Pronouns help you build faster sentences, avoid repetition, speak naturally, and sound more like a native speaker.
Imagine saying, John likes John's laptop, and John uses John's laptop every day.
No. Better, John likes his laptop and uses it every day.
Much cleaner.
We will learn 8 important types today. 1. Personal pronouns. 2. Object pronouns. 3. Possessive adjectives. 4. Possessive pronouns. 5. Reflexive pronouns. 6. Demonstrative pronouns. 7. Interrogative pronouns. And 8. Indefinite pronouns.
We'll learn each with examples, conversation, and practice.
These pronouns do the action in the sentence. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
Examples: I learn, you speak, he eats, she reads, it works, we travel, they study.
Let's use them in quick sentences. I cook breakfast. She plays music. They watch movies.
And their object pronouns receive the action. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them.
Examples. John helped me. We saw him. She called them. Give it to her.
Easy rule. Subject pronouns do the action. Object pronouns receive the action.
These show ownership plus come before a noun. My, your, his, her, its, our, their.
Examples: my phone, your bag, his car, her idea, their home.
Sentence examples. This is my book. That is her laptop. They love their pets.
These show ownership too, but they stand alone, no noun after them. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs.
Examples. This book is mine. That bag is hers. The idea was theirs.
Students mix these up a lot, but don't worry, we'll practice later.
We use reflexive pronouns when the subject and the object are the same. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Examples. I made it myself. She taught herself English. They did it themselves.
Or, for emphasis, I will do it myself. You can clean your room yourself.
These point to things. This, near and singular. That, far and singular. These, near and plural. Those, far, and plural. Examples: this is my phone. That is your bag. These are my friends. Those are good ideas.
Interrogative pronouns ask questions. Who? Whom? Whose? What? Which? Examples: who is calling? Whose book is this? Which do you prefer?
Simple, but very useful in daily life. These pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. Everyone, someone, anyone, no one, everything, something, nothing, many, few, others. Examples: someone is at the door. Everyone loves music. Nothing is impossible. Many like coffee.
These help you sound natural in conversations.
Okay. Mistake 1. Mixing he, she. Maria is here. He is waiting. She is waiting. Mistake 2. It's versus its. Its is possessive. Its is it is. Mistake 3. Missing pronouns. Is raining. It is raining. Mistake 4. Wrong object pronoun. Give this to I. Give this to me.
We'll fix every mistake with practice.
Okay, John, let's play a pronoun game. I'll say a sentence with a noun. You replace it with a pronoun. Sentence 1. Maria is tired.
She is tired.
Sentence 2. The books are on the table.
They are on the table.
Sentence 3. Give the pen to Emma.
Give the pen to her.
Good. Now your turn for me.
The laptop belongs to John.
It is his, or the laptop is his.
Emma made the cake.
She made it herself.
The children are happy.
They are happy.
Now you try. Complete the sentences with the pronoun. 1. The teacher is calling blank. Correct. Me, us, or him. Number 2. I like this phone. This is blank. Correct. Mine. Number 3. Sarah is laughing. She, or blank, is happy. Correct. She. Number 4. The boys are playing. I will join blank. Correct. Them.
Write your answers in the comments. We will check them. Let's quickly review everything. Personal pronouns: I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. Object pronouns: me, him, her, it, us, you, them. Possessive adjectives: my, your, his, her, its, our, your, their. Possessive pronouns: mine, hers, theirs. Reflexive pronouns: myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Demonstrative pronouns: this, that, these, those. Interrogative pronouns: who, what. Indefinite pronouns: everyone, someone, anyone, no one, everything, something, nothing, many, few.
If you learn these, you can now speak more clearly, more naturally, and with much more confidence.
Thank you for watching English Vibes.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video
Subscribe to the channel.
and click the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Tell us in the comments. Make one sentence using a pronoun.
We'll reply to every comment.
See you in the next lesson.